Can I ask you some quick questions?
Yes, ask, no problem.
Yeah, please be honest. What you do in Dubai?
Actually, I'm working like as a hairstylist.
Okay. And what's your nationality?
I'm from India,
Okay, wow. Which part of India?
Delhi. I'm from Delhi.
Okay. And how long you have been here in UAE?
Almost 2 years.
2 years. Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. What's the average salary of a hairdresser?
Actually, my salary is like around 2,800 to 3,000.
Oh, wow, lovely. How much rent did you pay in Dubai?
Now I'm paying approx 550 dirham.
550 dirham?
Yeah.
Okay.
Eh,
And what advice you would like to give to someone, those who want to come to Dubai?
Yeah, if because I'm the hairstylist, I know about the salon industry.
Hmm.
So somebody's have experience like in India, in Pakistan, in Bangladesh. So they can come like as an example, visit visa. So they can find easily job here.
Okay.
So
Okay,
it's
perfect.
good for them.
Perfect.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for being honest, sir.
Yeah, thank you.